All right, welcome to our presentation about our web app. The web app is called Nerd Alert. We'll explain later why we call it like that. First we start introducing ourselves. I'm Michiel from Amsterdam. Been living for 2 years almost in Barcelona and have a background in industrial engineering.
My name is Marc. I'm from Barcelona. My background is in multimedia engineer, but I ended up working in marketing, so not that much of code. About Nerd Alert, we wanted to provide the services. We also found we usually have the problems with our technology, I don't know, computers, phones, internet. We buy something, we don't know how this is going to work in our, I don't know, environment, and we need to find a solution. We often want to go to our stores. We don't know which store is better. Maybe this service is too expensive. So we wanted to build a site where you log in, we'll find people around you that know about that specific problem that you might have. They will offer you that kind of solution. You could book them, try to come to their place, fix their problem.
And with more and more people using technologies, and not to discriminate, but also more older people using technologies, they all need help, and what better way to do that in person. So that's how we came up with this app. So now we go to the demo.
We'll show you. We already have a user logged in, so it's going to be pretty straightforward. Of course, you can log in, sign up with different users. When you're logged in, you have on the navbar, it changes to show you the bookings you have, the profile to log out.
Yeah, and depending on what kind of issue you have different kind of filters where you can find, we call them helpers or superheroes that can help you with your issue. And well, for this demo, we're going to go to Barcelona because we put in some random users.
And we're going to try to find somebody that helps us with our computer. That's what we get around us.
So on the left, we see the users based in Barcelona. We have a slogan, the reviews. There's going to be an average of the amount of reviews, the price, and
of course, if we decide that we don't need computer help anymore, if we deselect, we're going to see everyone that we have around. You can filter with different options about phones, whatever. And if you move around, map will change, showing different people around.
Yeah, so on the left, the users changed based on the location where you're at. You can search to a different city.
Yeah, you can go to different places. I don't know, Madrid. There's more people around.
But for now, we're gonna book our Ironhacker, I think. No?
Yep.
Okay.
Just one extra thing. Actually, if you click on the icon, you will see that the information is also there.
So when you click on contact, you go to the user page. You have information about the user of the helper you're gonna book, and you can read all the reviews that other people wrote with the amount of stars.
This version is still lorem ipsum text, but
yeah.
If you click on the button, you could set the date that you need help. Let's just say that 19, and it will be good around 12. Here, this specialization, then you can choose just to filter a bit more the information. Yeah,
so if you say like I have a computer issue, then you can specialize more like I have a problem with my Apple, and you send some extra information, and the booking will go to the helper, who's the person that's going to help you. But for now, we stay logged in as a customer, so we just show it from our side, the customer side.
Exactly. On the helper side, he will receive kind of a message saying that this guy is wanting to book your service. So when he clicks, he could reply that message, say, okay, this date doesn't fit me well, gonna need that much of hours, so the price total is gonna be that much.
Yeah, and we have like different tabs for pending messages. So waiting on your confirmation, to have to say like whenever the helper accepts your booking, it goes to you, and then you have to say, yeah, okay, I accept the price, and well, you accept the date. Well, waiting on your hero is what it says. You're waiting on your helper to respond to you. Well, the other tab is...
Yeah, sorry, just when you accept whatever the helper takes you, you're gonna start with the hours, the price, you can actually accept, and when you end up accepting, you will go to the other tab where you have all your kind of bookings still gonna happen, and the bookings that are already being complete.
Yeah, you can easily book the same guy again if you have a new issue or girl, and you can write a review afterwards, and those reviews will be shown at the reviews page and with the amount of stars. And I think that's about it. No?
Pretty much it, yeah. Just, I don't know, as Doc said, it was kind of tricky at first to learn Angular, all those things to... It was similar to what we did on the last project, but to apply it on Angular was...
Yeah, when we started our new project, we were like, okay, we're gonna do so much extra, we're gonna do this and this and this and this and this, but in the end, no. It's more or less the same as we did last project, but I think we're both quite happy with the results still, and yeah, I think...
That's it, yeah. Also, before finishing, huge thanks to Anton, who designed the logo and this big image, the icons and the mark. Looks pretty cool.
Yeah, and Gideon for the name, the nice name and slogan. It's, I think, super catchy and it's going to be a great success. So, that's it.
Thanks.